le lako kama le alo li I kupo le sava uso li I kaua mai ngau iau alala kai sa le ukongi o le lima makua fale upo le vau po fina luko style wa pe pesa masiva solo uta baioa solo pa manamo aulele awe la tayala awe si umo va pe masi papa solo uta baioa solo pa manamo aulele awe la tayala awe si umo va pe masi papa pai kele kua maakua fale loa le uka fe ua fale limula loa si kuki vangu male pa ia lasi o tama fina male awaluma a io e onganga ai malo sila fia so le fiku fale sa welcome to mangu vai loa eva e sidi ai le ku ia he this is still sila Samoa a ku ai le sao o te roa sao
It's so much better than being down. Open your mind, let your love shine all round and round. Watalofa to Samoa, say yo kwese mafailoa. Jamo demo titio ai Aotearoa. Lamona love fia tele, no malama mai ile valele. Asi mai Samoa lo watu pele. Oh my la ia, say tanto fia. Oh my la ia, say tato fia. Ele umole lua fita usanga. Fa solo ane ile taulanga, si o mio ile stamite wata. Samoa numero tisi o ile Pacifica. La wana lo fia tele, no malama mai ile valele. Asi mai Samoa lo watu no pele. My la ia, say tato fia. Ele umole lua fita usanga. Oh my la ia, say tato fia. Ele umole lua fita usanga. Tama mai Samoa, say yo best my failoa. La manda la fia tele, na malanga mai ile valele. Tama mai Samoa, say yo best my failoa. La manda la fia tele, na malanga mai ile valele. Tama le Pacific, e va a del super, so fele ile au vai bese. Ele kaupa se ai fia ai espande. Tama le Pacific, e va a del super, so fele ile au vai bese. Ele kaupa se ai fia ai espande.
Ele sa fa dai wakangi, ya se mele ya wa fai ka kaule langi. Makele musika sipso suai le bese. Musika Samoa e ke fa a bele fai pika fa a epa musele shy guy io yai sipso with the flow le wa fai sau yai. Sila cameraman, Peter with the paper, roll it up, yo, come
and score. Game. Time will start on the snap. Snap of the ball. Quarterback looking down, takes it. Down the field. Taken down by the big man. Number 28. Bringing up second down for Team Royalty. First down will be the 20-yard line. Second down for Team Royalty. All snap. Quarterback looking. Big man running. Quarterback standing. Running out of bounds. First down for Team Royalty. 11 minutes coming in the first half. Right to where you feel today. Ball snap. Looking. Bringing up second down. Second down for Team Royalty. Second and about 3 yards. Receiver's hands. Bringing up third down for Team Royalty. Put a lot of zing in that one. One stool. Looks like there was flags on both sides of the ball. Team Royalty converting the first down. First down in about 15 yards. All snap. Looking, dumps it off so fast. Down. Number 30, Reese with the reception. Bringing up second down. Second down in about 10. 8 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the first half. Snap. Back looking. Royalty. First down, first and goal for Team Royalty. Seven minutes and 45 seconds remaining in the first half. First and goal for Team Royalty. Quarterback goes it off against a decent play. Right now, CJ. Quick pull. Short yardage gain there. Bringing up second down for Team Royalty. Down, bringing up third down. Leonard putting on the pressure. Third down and goal. Royalty has 2 more plays to try and score. Or those 2 plays for PUAOLELE to get a turnover. Ball snap, quarterback looking. Waiting for the official call. Looks like it's on the offense. Illegal blocking. And that's going to bring up fourth down for Team Royalty. Well, they have one more chance to try to stop Team Royalty from scoring. Fourth and goal. 6 minutes remaining in the first half. Ball snap. Quarterback looking. Dumps it off. It looks like it's an incomplete pass. Turnover on downs. What a defensive stance by PUAOLELE. Now be entering the field on offense for their first series of the first half. Practice now. At the same time, we'd like to do a major shout out to SoPac Bud Light for being our major sponsor for this tournament. Without them and without you, none of this would be happening. Mitchell looking to lead his team down the field and try to put some points on the board. 5 minutes and 54 seconds. Time will start on the snap of the ball. Ball snap. No short pass at the season. Pulled by number 2, the quarterback. Also the quarterback inside. Bringing up second down for PUAOLELE. Ball snap. Puts it off to his running back. Still going, almost still running. Finally brought down. Converting into the first down. Visa with the pull for Team Royalty. First down in about 7 yards. Team PUAOLELE. Advantages on the field. Ooh. Got a call from the side ref. Looks like a false start on the offense. That'll be a 5-yard penalty. Repeat first down. yards. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the first half. Ball snap. And that's a first down conversion for Team PUAOLELE. 4 minutes and 10 seconds coming up on the clock. First down for PUAOLELE. Loyalty, look at you trying to respond. Ball snap. With the fake option, finally throws it out. Olo still going. Lockdown by the cornerback, number 2, Messiah. That's bringing up second down. Second down on about 11 yards. 3 minutes and 40 seconds running time left on the game clock for the first half. Ball snap. Real quick. G-ball. Let's bring in a third down and about 10 yards for Team PUAOLELE. The time remaining, running time, 3 minutes and 10 seconds running time left in the first half. Big man, quarterback Mitchell, trying to lead his team. Put some points on the board. Ball snap. Big pitch. Quarterback takes it. Takes the pitch. Pitches it. He's throwing like he's going. Waiting for the official signal. And it's a touchdown for PUAOLELE. 6 points. 6 points on the board. PUAOLELE strikes first with the touchdown. Looks like Team PUAOLELE will go for a 2-point conversion to add to their lead. Loyalty look to try and deny a 2-point conversion. Ball snap. Oh. Quarterback with all fakes. Throws it. Oh, the ball is dropped at the goal line by the other big man. The score remains 6-0 in favor of PUAOLELE. Loyalty manages the field, entering their second series of their offense for the first half. Loyalty looks to try and respond to the 6 points on the board by PUAOLELE. Time remaining is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Time will start on the snap of the ball. Ball snap. Quarterback looking. Scrambling. Moving. Waiting for a official call. Oh. Second down, bringing up second down on the play. With a loss of yards for Team Loyalty. PUAOLELE coming up big on the defense. Shuffling the feet. Looking right there for the big man. Timeout being called by Royalty. That's their first timeout of the first half. PUAOLELE still has 2 timeouts remaining. 2 minutes and 4 seconds remaining in our first half. Time will start on the snap of the ball after Team Royalty's timeout. At this time, we'd like to make a special shout out to Tony Deal Productions for the awesome live coverage of today's game. Thank you to AUVA'A and team. second down coming up for Team Royalty. Looking to answer the touchdown that was made by Team PUAOLELE. Second down and about 19 yards. Back inside, look to try and lead his team down the field. Ball snap. Quarterback dropping back, looking. Stop the ground. Third down coming up. Timeout. Deep ball. Oh, official timeout. Being called on the field. Looks like we have an injured player on the field. PUAOLELE. Looks like the injured player will be walking off the field. We have a third down coming up. Ball snap. And another incompletion for Team Royalty, bringing up fourth down. Time still running on the clock for 1 minute and 40 seconds running. 1 minute and 30 seconds running time. Looks like they opt to punt it. Team Royalty will punt the ball. And the ball will land in the second zone for Team PUAOLELE. Looks like Team PUAOLELE will have to march 50 yards to try and add to their lead. With only 1 minute and about 20 seconds remaining in the first half. Team PUAOLELE looks to add to their lead with 1 minute and 20 seconds left in the first half. First down, 10 yards. Ball snap. Keep on moving. Incomplete pass. Time still running. This is the first half. 1 minute running time. 1 minute remaining in the first half. Second down. Clean up second down for Team PUAOLELE. Ball snap. Moving up to running back. Ooh, what a play. Still going. Brought down by number 1, Wyland. Timeout. PUAOLELE. Looks like that will be their first timeout of the half. Third down coming up for Team PUAOLELE. With 47 seconds remaining in the first half. The score is 6-0 in favor of PUAOLELE. Calling 1-1. One timeout for Team Royal and one timeout remaining for PUAOLELE. 37 seconds left on the clock. Time will start on the snap of the ball. Looks like there's a foul on the play. Looks like they're doing the defense. 5-yard penalty added to the play. Which will result in first down for PUAOLELE. 47 seconds left remaining in the half. Almost starting to snap with the ball. First snap. Quarterback comes to the middle. Incomplete pass. Oh, there's a flag on the play. Looks like an illegal blocking on the offense. 5 yards back. Snap. Time still going. 30 seconds. 45 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. There's a flag on the play. False start on the offense. Timeout, final timeout for PUAOLELE for the first half. They will have 10 seconds remaining on the clock.
Last time I was PUAOLELE, but that's Royal.
Ten seconds remaining on the clock. Most likely the final play for the first half. Team PUAOLELE. Most likely looking to try and guard the ball. Rugby. Looking to try and stop the offense. Ball snap. Quarterback bombs it. He's going, and he misses it. And time will look like to expire. And that's halftime, everybody. Halftime. The score is 6-0 in favor of PUAOLELE. PUAOLELE will be starting on offense in the second half. I'd like to take this time to shout out to our major sponsors. Out here, as we
Alo for more dear et to my bear. Ele ma fire na ave se. Sinama famaya ualele go. Se fusi maria interfere malolo. Oh maria umalule aso. Oh baby no famaya fia malolo.
Wa emanga pasaw itisi mai hani. Kau kufa alapa ai lang mai li ali. Tak makala mai penga mai. Na emsia pena e kangi. Ia awa ulami Samoa. Moe lisonga I miki vai masoa. A ole tau koe no fo I le tānoa. Ai uli mai ole au ai moa. Samoa lo wako o ulenga o ola ai. Tia kele lo uloko o yo kimi nika ai. Lua iai whawhaitea Gary am whale kekea. Lele aku I lunga ea Kangangu unye I lea. Ea la u Samoa e. Au mo ilo ufaku Kalo whai. Awe musu e nge ike I wama mulu. O anga I whangua male Kangangu.
Ngai o moku o mangongo a poli Masabai ma o polu ila lusa miki o aka singa maula whangua lango mea maka I le Pasifika O sili lava oe I le lalolangi I mamakanga ka Samoa mo I le ulogoe I mika mawhaakulia ai ika I le fia a awai e
PUAOLELE, Snow City. I got you, coach. I'd like to also welcome all the spectators here today watching the 5th annual Super Bowl flag football tournament. Number 5, Mambo number 5 for all sports. Shout out to the officials. There's our head ref, AUVA'A, takes the field. Out to mark the 5-yard mark. Team PUAOLELE to start. Trying to get on the board. Will PUAOLELE add to the lead? Ball snap. Gives it up to running back spinning. Finally brought down. Good sportsmanship by number 2, Isaiah, the quarterback / cornerback. Freeing up second down for Team PUAOLELE. Ball snap. Quarterback looking. Busting the boots out. Looks like he's scrambling. Back out by number 27. Cap Healy with the quick pull. Bringing up third down for Team PUAOLELE. Coming up on 11 minutes remaining in the game. Third down about 5 yards. Ball snap with some trick plays. He converts the first down. First down for Team PUAOLELE. Busting out the booze. For a big man. First down at about 19 yards. Team Loyalty looking for a stop. Ball snap. With the trick play. Finally brought down with the quick hands by the cornerback number 2, Isaiah. With a short yardage gain. Looks like it's second down and about 18 yards. 10 minutes remaining in the game. Second Second down in about 18 yards. Motion, no snap. Way back, looks like an option. Brought down. Bringing a third down. Third down for Team PUAOLELE. Third down in about 12 yards. Time still running on the clock. 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Third down for PUAOLELE. Ball snap. Short pass. Still going. Finally brought down. Wyland, Team Royalty, fourth down. A crucial fourth down for PUAOLELE, where they go for it, they punt the ball. Looks like coach has signaled to go for it. And fourth down in about 4 or 5 yards. Crucial turning point in the game. They can convert the first.
Baila.
Looks like a flag on the play. Offside.
¡Vol poro!
And that's a first down. Converting on the penalty. First down for Team PUAOLELE. First and about, say, 20 yards. PUAOLELE with the momentum coming into the second half with 8 minutes remaining in the game. Ball snap. Short pass to number 2. Bringing up second down. Second down for Team PUAOLELE. Game plan for the coaches to try and run this time out. With 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the game. All snap. With about a 10-yard loss. Bringing up third down. Third down in about 30 yards. 7 minutes and 10 seconds running time. Third down for PUAOLELE. Third and about 30 yards. Here we go. Ball snap. Quarterback looking. Drops a bomb. Looks like it's out of bounds. And a fourth down coming up. Looks like they're going to punt the ball. Fourth down. Team Royalty takes the field on offense, looking to try to put some points on the board with 6 minutes and 26 seconds left in the game. Can Team Royalty score to try and tie the game or take the lead? Or will Team PUAOLELE come up big on the defense? Here we go. First down in about 13 yards for Team Royalty. Ball snap. QB looking. Ooh, misses in the third hand. Mr. Beasley. Could have took that one to the house. Bringing up second down. Second down for Team Royalty to try and put some points on the board. Coming up on 6 minutes. 6 minutes remaining in the game. Second down. Quarterback to Saya. Tries to short pass away. Oh, brought down by number 27. Wow. With a quick pull. Bringing up third down. Third down in about 5 yards. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the game. The score is 6-0 in favor of PUAOLELE. Third down coming up for Team Royalty. Ball snap. That's a first down. First down for Team Royalty. First down coming up for Team Royalty after that big game. PUAOLELE looking for a stop. Ball snap. Quarterback looking. Yes, sir. Bringing up second down for Team Royalty. Coming up on 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the game. Second down for Team Royalty. Ball snap. Quarterback looking. Scramble. And a quick pull. Looks like there's a flag on the play. Waiting for the official call. Looks like it's going on the defense, holding on the defense. 5-yard penalty. Resulting in a first down. First and goal for Team Royalty. About 19 yards and trying to put some points on the board. 4 minutes and counting. 4 minutes and counting. Ball snap. Quarterback looking. Quick drop. And a quick pull. Number 27. PUAOLELE. Second down coming up. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining in the game. Second down, second and goal for Team Royalty. 3 minutes and 30 seconds and running. Ball snap. Quarterback drops back. Throws a card. And it's broken up by Team PUAOLELE. Third down coming up. 2 more plays for Team Royalty to try and score. Third down for Team Royalty. 3 minutes and 10 seconds running time. Team Royalty looking to try and score. Ball snap. Looking Charles to the right side. Drops it. Interception by DJ. And a turnover on down. Resulting in a first down for PUAOLELE. 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Time will start on the snap of the ball. PUAOLELE with a crucial interception there. A lot of time remaining on the clock. Can PUAOLELE keep converting to try and kill the time? Or will Team Royalty force a turnover? 2 minutes and 48 seconds remaining in the game. Ball snap. Quarterback looks like he's taking it. Waiting on the call. Waiting for the official call. Looks like it was down. Looks like a second down. Second down for Team PUAOLELE. Second down for Team PUAOLELE. Two minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the game. Ball snap. Quarterback gives it off to the running back. Running back still running. Looks like a flag on the play. Waiting for the official call. Looks like it's going against the offense. That's resulting in a first down. Added 5-yard penalty to the play. First down for PUAOLELE. First down in about 23 yards. 2 minutes and about 15 seconds remaining on the game clock. Ball snap. Keep moving. Still moving. Sick of speed. Pulled by Wiley. Second down. Taking about 19 yards. Time will still be running. Time will stop on an incomplete pass. Timeout. Official timeout. Or out of bounds play. 1 minute and 45 seconds running time. Second down for PUAOLELE. Ball snap. Comes it out to his receiver. Quick pull. Bringing up third down. Timeout being called by Royalty. That'll be their first timeout of the half. 1 minute, 36 seconds remaining on the game clock. Next down will be third down. Reminder to both teams, the time will stop on out of bounds play, incomplete pass, timeout, official timeout. And I think when they set the ball for first down. Third down coming up, third and about 21 yards. With 1 minute. 1 minute, 36 seconds remaining in the game. The time will start on the snap of the ball. The score is 6-0 in favor of PUAOLELE. Ball snap. Quarterback looking. Throws the ball. Intercepted. Still going. Oh, it looks like all the way back here. Turnover. One down. Team Royalty with 1 minute. 1 minute, 24 seconds remaining in the game. The score is 6-0. 6-0.
Hey, that's another stop, boys.
Friendly reminder to both teams. Out of bounds play. Timeout, official timeout. Setting the ball for a first down. Stop the clock. Setting the ball for a first down. We'll run on the official whistle. Time will start on the snap. Ball snap. Quarterback looking. Dumps it off. Oh, intercepted again by PUAOLELE. He's still going. Oh, he's brought down.
Nice.
On the first play for Team Royalty. That's a quick one. Looks like a first down and maybe half a yard. PUAOLELE's offense. Looks like a little overexcitement for number 2. Looks like a penalty on the interception play. Number 2 overexcited there. for making a crucial interception for his team. Looks like the winning play for his team. With 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining in the game. Team Royalty with 1 timeout remaining. Waiting for the official. First down will be at the 40-yard line. Reminder to both teams, the time will start on the timeout, official timeout, out of bounds play. Something else. Ball snap. Run it back going. Looks like he's going to run. Out of bounds. Looks like an out of bounds play. Out of bounds play. Second down. Reminder to both teams, the time will start on an out of bounds play. Timeout, official timeout. And a conversion of a first down. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining on the clock. Time will start on the snap of the ball. Second down. Ball snap. And a flag on the play from the side ref. A little bit of overexcitement for Team PUAOLELE. Trying to finish the game. Game's still on. Looks like a 5-yard penalty. The offense repeating second down. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Ball snap. Running back going. Time is brought down by Weiland. Third down coming up. Time still will run. Timeout, final timeout for Team Royalty. With 50 seconds remaining on the game clock. Taking a third down to our last timeout. At this time, we'd like to take a shout out to our major sponsor, SoPac Bud Light, our supporting partner, Evolve Fitness Gym, and to Zoe Deal Productions for the awesome live coverage. Please, if you have media or any social media events or videos, go with Zoe Deal Productions, #1 on Island. We have third down coming up. Third down for Team PUAOLELE with 50 seconds remaining on the game clock. There's a flag on the play. Looks like it's going to be on the defense. Yeah, remaining third down. Penalty will be on the defense. 5-yard penalty. Or offside. Third down and about 6 yards for the conversion of the first down. 50 seconds remaining on the game clock. The score is 6-0 in favor of Team PUAOLELE. The hard count. Ball snap. Back to running back still going. And he's brought down by number 27 inside. Time will still run with 40 seconds remaining on the game clock. $30 seconds. Fourth down. 20 seconds. Oh, official timeout. Fourth down. 22 seconds coming from the official timeout. Time will start on the official whistle. Time to start. 20 seconds. Time running. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Official call. Time will start on the snap of the ball. Two. Nowski. Let's go. 6-0. In favor of Team PUAOLELE.
We tell you, Palongo, what's down? You can serve another season. No. You want to watch it be working down that boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, down that boy. You serve another season.